y'all, I am back and I am so excited to be back. So we are going to do soursop tea. Let's make some soursop tea, but before we get started, I want to talk about some of the benefits of soursop, okay? The soursop leaves, okay? So first, let me address the fruit. If you get the fruit, it is delicious, 10 out of 10. Now, the leaves have grown in popularity over the years, and when I tell you, great for overall well-being, bolsters the immune system, okay? This will have your immune system on 10. Great for inflammation. Y'all, I can't say enough about this. Do your own research. It has been known to help fight cancer, okay? There has been research done on it. There have been lots of testimonials done. There have been people that have gave reviews on this. And let me tell you, fights inflammation, rich in antioxidants, great as a digestive bitter, great for digestion in general. Y'all, I cannot say enough about this. Me and my husband have been taking soursop for years, okay? And one of the reasons why we started taking it is for preventative measures. My husband's mom was diagnosed with cancer, and that led me to do tons of research. Y'all, please do your due diligence and do your own research on this, okay? It's very controversial, you know, but to each his own. We love it. This is why I invested in soursop, because I loved it so much. And I know what it has done for us, okay? We're going to get into making some tea, and what we're going to do is, this is what you're going to need, some of the things that you will need. You will need a mason jar or some type of container to put your tea in, to store it in if you have extra tea left over. And also, you will need a Ziploc or some type of glassware that you can store your leaves in. Now, the reason why you're probably wondering, store my leaves in, yes, because you want to use those leaves. Well, we use the leaves at least twice, okay? So you're going to want to use your leaves at least twice so you can get the most out of it. Tons of benefits, okay? So you've got these two things. You can get a pot, a glass pot to boil it in. Now remember, the longer you boil it, the more of a red hue that it will have, and the stronger it probably will be. The longer you let it steep, the stronger it will be. So we are not going to do the boiling method this time. I am actually going to use a teapot that I ordered. It's like a little kettle. And so what we're going to do, I'm going to boil the water for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to pour it over the leaves. Now make sure before you use any leaves that you wash them first, because you don't know, 9 times out of 10 they're never washed, okay? So they're probably shipped to you like that. So, and we do not wash our leaves. They are shipped to you like this. So if you order from our website, Phoenix Lynn Health and Beauty, this is our product right here. If you order from our website, make sure that you wash the leaves. Our leaves are organic. I'm going to have all the information listed in the description. So as I said, we are going to use about 5 leaves. We're going to take about 1 liter of water, and we're going to let that, I'm going to boil the water on the stove, and then I'm going to pour it over and let it steep for about 10 minutes. And you'll see the color that it has versus, I guess, when you boil it. Like I said, if you boil it for a long time at a rapid boil, you'll get a more of a reddish hue. And it all depends on how strong you want it. And you can add more leaves. It just depends on how strong you want it. But for the most part, 4 to 5 leaves with a liter of water is what we use, okay? So let's get into this video. I am excited. All the information will be listed below.